my bag was open and all of my stuff just fell out into my lap. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, it is the last unboxing for the month of October on my YouTube channel. So if you're brand new to my YouTube channel, hi, welcome, I'm Drew, and you are catching us during sort of what we call box week, but technically box week ended and we had like a couple days break in there. So basically, it's the best week every month. My YouTube channel is the 1 week every month. Me and my YouTube subscribers, we spend 7 days together. So you're catching us on the last unboxing. Basically, open all my subscriptions together. We hang out. We have a lot of fun. And tonight we're going to be opening Sephora Play. I'm trying to like not show you my address because like I honestly, it's like a huge pet peeve. It's like says Sephora Play on this side, but my address is on here, so I'm showing you the back of the box. So we're opening Sephora Play. Sephora, it's a $10 monthly subscription from Sephora Beauty. Basically, the last couple months, it's not really been that exciting of a box for me to open, so I'm kind of honestly thinking tonight that this might be one of my last ones unboxing this because I've really been considering possibly cutting it loose because of the fact that they have not been putting in items that I feel like are much better than a gift with purchase you already get there anyway from being like a Beauty Insider Rewards member. So we're also going to be putting items to finish off our stockpile giveaway, which right here is completely full. This box of goodies right here we started filling up last month and this month, and after tonight's video it'll be full, and then sometime this weekend I will be posting a video on my YouTube channel telling you how you can win this box of goodies, which has full-size eyeshadow palettes, face masks, all kinds of makeup brushes, all kinds of awesome goodies are in there. So like I said, I'll be posting a video in the next few days telling you how you can enter to win that. You will need to be subscribed to my YouTube channel, so I will tell you that up front, just so you know. All right, trying to turn this box around so I don't show my address to everybody. And this month, this is the little card on the top. Okay, so basically every month they give you one of these. This booklet tells you about the stuff inside of your box, as well as you get this, which gives you 50 bonus points for Beauty Insider Rewards, which honestly, some months feels like the best thing that I get in my Sephora Play box, if I'm being honest. Also, my bag was open and all of my stuff just fell out into my lap. Well, I guess we're gonna do this unboxing from my lap because everything literally just fell straight into my lap right now. Oh my god, that's funny. So the first item that we got is Tarte Quench. This is a hydrating primer. So this is a skin primer from Tarte that is supposed to be really good for hydrating your skin. I'm actually gonna put this right into the giveaway box because I just got primer and I like have a lot of it now, so I want to give it to somebody so they can try it out for themselves. The next item that we have is Benefit Give Me Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. Okay, so this is like a volumizing gel for your eyebrows. As you can see, my brows are pretty thick as it is, so I'll put this in the giveaway box as well so someone can try it. My guess is that this shade is probably in like Universal Taupe. It doesn't really say a shade on here, but usually they send me taupe for my profile, so that's going in there as well. We got a fragrance from the brand Chloe. All right, let's smell this. I don't know. I'm nervous because I think I've smelled something like this before and didn't like it. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. It's kind of strong. Like, it seems like somebody with like a strong personality would wear this, which I suppose you'd be like, well, that's, I mean, I've heard my personality kind of strong, but not necessarily the kind of strength that I'm looking for to portray in a fragrance. So I don't know how I feel about that. We'll just give it some time to catch me, and then I'll probably decide whether or not I love it or not. The next item that we have is Vino Perfect Serum from Caudalie. So this is a serum from Caudalie. I actually just put a serum from Caudalie in the giveaway box, so I'm gonna keep this one. I think I've tried this once before, but I'm interested to try it again. It has a little bit of like a fragrance to it that I'm not super fond of, but it definitely absorbs nicely into your skin, so I'll be keeping that for myself. Next one that we have is Purity Made Simple Hydra Bounce Eye Gel. Oh, from Philosophy right here. All right, so we got an eye gel from Philosophy. I'm trying to get it out here. All right, that's it right there from Philosophy, an eye gel. That's really nice. I'm actually gonna put this into the giveaway box as well because I think I just got some eye stuff and I don't want to be stingy, so I'm going to put that in the giveaway box also. And then finally, it looks like we have a full-size lipstick, or is this lipstick? Oh my gosh, I dropped it. Hold on, give me a second. What's going on? Sorry about that for the people sitting in the back. No, wait, hold on. Banana Stick Contour from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is a contour stick? What? Okay, this is like a Okay, so this is like a contouring stick from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I don't know why I smelled it. Probably because it said banana stick and I'm like, ugh, I don't like bananas. But, okay, that's interesting. So honestly, I'm not really feeling this box. I feel like the nicest item that I got was the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour stick because this is a generous size sample, as well as something that I haven't really gotten boxes before. Honestly, like everything else, I swear I have gotten something similar to this in like either this box or in other boxes or gifts with purchase. So I'm really on the fence about whether or not I should keep this box or maybe send it packing and get something else. I honestly would love it if you guys would tell me in the comments if you think I should keep it, if I should keep going with it, or if there's a box you think I should get that's kind of comparable in price between like the $10 to $15 range that I could switch it out for. Because honestly, I'm just not happy with it anymore. Like I like getting the 50 bonus points, but they're not that exciting to me to keep spending $10 on getting samples that I could get from just buying something from the store anyway. You know what I mean? Okay, so to recap, we got the banana stick contour from Anastasia Beverly Hills in that light shade there to contour my face. We got the Gimme Brow from Benefit Cosmetics, put in that giveaway box. The Philosophy Eye Gel, which is going into the giveaway box as well. The Tarte Quench Primer, which is also going into the giveaway box. And the Caudalie Vino Perfect Serum, which I tried on my hand and I'm keeping. And the Chloe scent, which I really don't know how I feel about. I don't like totally hate it, but not like really feeling it. So overall, I don't know. So our giveaway box is full. As you guys can see, I'm gonna try and show you a little preview of like all that's in here. So this is like the full size eyeshadow palette that's in here. Look at this, like face creams. You even have toothpaste. There's all kinds of like glorious goodies inside of this box. So I'll be posting a video in the next couple of days telling you how you can win this box. So be looking out for that. Have on your notifications for my channel if you don't already. I mean, if you wanted, like, not miss it. Obviously, I'm not, I don't know, I used to work when people like, put on notifications for my channel, and I'm like, I don't know, that's a lot of Drew. I don't know if you want all that. I don't even know if I want to deal with all that. So, yeah, so that's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at JustLikeDrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family because we're literally the best crew around because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so stinking much. And if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I'll see you very, very soon for a brand new video talking about a giveaway. All right, talk to you. Love you. Goodbye.
Fancy.
It's fancy. I know. It is really, really good for your skin. You know why?
Yeah.
Because when your skin is really dry, especially like in the wintertime here in Wisconsin, it just soaks up all that moisture, and it's really good for sensitive skin